another video for you guys. This time it's another unboxing from my favorite handbag store. Well, it's not a handbag store. It has multiple items there. They offer many luxury goods. Yes, it's another Louis unboxing. It's for the Alma BB. But yeah, I actually have more luxury handbag reviews. I'll have my playlist linked down below. So if you're new to this channel, your girl loves to do hauls. That's my thing. I love to do try-on hauls too. My channel is more like lifestyle and hauls and like my opinions on the purchases that I make. I love to shop. Your girl loves to shop, okay? And I like to share. So if you like these types of videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you can be notified when I post new videos. Love you guys. Stay tuned. So I just got back from the shopping. I like to go to my neighboring Louis Vuitton. I like to say it like that, like I'm French, right? Louis Vuitton at the King of Prussia Mall. And if you do shop there, definitely ask for Chuck. He has the best customer service. I love him. He was too busy, but he still takes the time out to, like, you know, make you feel special when you're about to make a really big purchase. So this is the holiday bag. It's usually not this color, but I guess this is like the holiday bag for this season. So yeah, I got the Damier, I can never say the name. I think I'm saying it, Damier something. I'll put it on the screen. But I got the Alma BB. This is like how the receipt comes. It comes in this cute little package here. But yeah, the box comes up nice. Comes in wrapped in a little bow. Yes. It says Louis Vuitton. Oh man. Ugh. Anytime I get this, I don't even want to like take the bow off. I just feel bad about opening this. So yeah, I'm gonna take the bow off. I should have had this like better set up, but whatever. Bow's coming off. And then the box opens up here. It is magnetic. It is dust proof. And of course your bag comes in a duster. So it comes in a cute little duster. The Alma BB is more of like, if you're familiar with like the sizes of the Louis Vuitton bags, there's like either lettering or numbers at the end of the bag, and it kind of gives you an idea of how large the bag is. My previous bags that I own is the Never Full, and I have it in the MM, so that's the medium size. There's a size smaller than that, and then I have the size 30 in my Speedy bag, but it's actually a bandouliere, so it has a strap. So as you can see, I have all large to medium bags from this collect from Louis Vuitton. I don't have any real small bags, and I love that print. And sometimes I just don't want to carry a big bag. So I had my eye on this bag for some time now. Actually was going to get it earlier this year, but then I went with another luxury bag, which you'll see. It's linked in the cards here. But I went with another luxury bag, which is more for like, in my opinion, more of like a night out type of bag. It's not your everyday bag. Whereas this can double as an everyday bag slash a night out bag, because it's cute, it's compact, and it's very classy. So let's get to it. This is the cute box. It's really nice. All right, so it's the the Alma BB Damier Ebene. I don't know. It says something like that on the back here. Yes. I'm so excited. It's so little and it's so cute. I've been wanting a bag this small. Like, I always have these big old bags, and look at that. I can scream. Look at that. It is so cute. I am obsessed. I am literally obsessed. It's just so classy, so cute. Talking to one of the sales reps that was there about the history of this bag, and it was always the slightly larger bag that was really popular. The vinyl bag, I don't know if you guys remember those vinyl bags. I put it on screen. I remember when I first started seeing Louis bags, I always would see the vinyl bag in this shape, the Alma. But I'm very glad that I finally got my hands on the mini. Basically, it's a mini to me. It's a mini bag. I don't know if mini bags is still a thing. I don't care. It's my bag. I'm so happy it's in that print. I love this print. I honestly don't care what anybody has to say. You know, they want to get different colors of every little thing. I'm a basic chick when it comes to colors. I like to have things that are neutral that can be worn with everything, and I feel like this bag can be worn with just about every color. You could wear red, you name it, you could wear it, because it's just so versatile. You know, I really like the lighter bags, but your girl is chocolate, okay? And I wear makeup, and that will get all over those light bags and ruin it, in my opinion. I'm just saying. So the hardware is gold. It has beautiful gold hardware, a nice little lock on it as well to keep it nice and safe. I never use the lock. I always put the lock inside the bag. There's little detailing right there. Oh man, look at that. The bottom, it has those little things to protect your bag when you set it down on a hard surface so you don't scrape the bottom. The last time I told you guys about how there's leather on these bags and stuff, like y'all was just ripping me to shreds. Leather is on the bag, but it's only the actual straps. This bottom half is made of leather, but everything else is made of canvas. Canvas actually holds up very well. And I just found out that Louis Vuitton, after you've had a bag for a period of time, especially when they never full, they have a service that they can basically refurbish your bag and bring it back to life, basically. So I might be taking my never full to the store very soon to get my bag fixed, because the handles is getting beat to shreds. Because when you travel with that bag, you're stuffing all kinds of stuff in it, and it just makes the bag get wrinkly and weak. You know, it's not made out of bionic plastic here. It's made of leather, which does wear and tear. Here's the red guts. Yes, I love red interior. That's another reason why I really love this bag. The interior is red. It has one little pouch in here. I didn't even look at that. I just wanted the bag. I didn't give a damn what features it had. I just wanted a small bag, cute bag from Louis Vuitton, and this was one of them. It has this little pouch in here. That's the only can you see it? It's the only thing that's inside. And there's always like these little pieces of paper to show authenticity. Oh, the price tag. Yeah, let's tuck that away. And then it comes with this little tiny strap, so you can wear it as a crossbody, so you're not always having to wear the bag on your arm like so, which wouldn't be very difficult because it's so small and convenient. I did opt not to buy the smaller wallet to match with this bag, just because I don't like to switch wallets. Wallets, in my opinion, you know, that's how you forget shit. Be real blunt and real clear with you. That's how you forget shit, okay? I literally went to the store without my freaking wallet because I switched bags. If I can barely remember to switch bags and put my wallet in there, how the hell am I gonna remember to switch a whole wallet out, all the contents, switch back and forth? No, thank you. So I'm actually gonna grab my full size. I think that's the name of it. I'll put on the screen the name of my wallet that I actually have. We did get to try it in the store just to make sure that it does fit inside the Alma BB. So I didn't have to purchase actually a new wallet, because I was really fearful that my cards wouldn't. I don't want my cards just floating around in the bottom of the bag. I'm sorry, it's just not my thing. You know, I don't want to. It's very small, but at the same time, you don't want your stuff just floating around in there. So I will grab my wallet just to show you that if you do have the full-size wallet, you do not need to purchase a smaller wallet just for that. Like drop $500 on top of what you just paid for this bag for a smaller wallet. Just save some coin. Okay, that's what I'm trying to get. Save some coin. But yeah, this is a strap with the bag. I'll show you how it looks on. Oh, can you see? Let me just try to sign this a little. Don't mind my short shorts. But yeah. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. Oh, can I get up on here and show you? But yeah, I will say, because this strap is a lot thinner than my bandolier from the Speedy, bandolier, I think that's the name of it. it's a lot thinner and it's a lot softer too. I'm gonna be real with you. It's a lot thinner and softer. It's easier around the neck. The bag is very lightweight. I can't remember, but this can hold a lot of stuff in it. I should do another what's in my bag, because this thing right now has so much stuff in it, it's unreal. But that's this bag, and then that's this bag, just to show you a comparison as to how big. You can tell after a while your bag starts to age and it changes color a little bit. See how the colors are slightly different. Then again, this has a different coating on it. This is set up different, whereas this is like a soft bag. It doesn't really have much structure, and this is a very structured bag. So the whole reason why I grabbed this bag is to get my wallet out and show you. This also has the red guts. This size wallet can fit in this bag, so you don't have to purchase another wallet rather. So she actually put it in this way, and it had me freak out because I'm like, oh my god. So it has to go in like that. Basically, I was freaking out that it wasn't gonna be able to like fit anything else. But yeah, as you look inside now, the wallet's in there lying at the bottom, and you could put pretty much, let's see what else you can get in here. My basics would be out of here, my car keys, obviously. So let's put car keys in there. I always need a hairbrush because sometimes my hair gets tangly. Hairbrush. And then I would have to find a smaller cosmetic bag. I just can't rationalize buying the actual Louis cosmetic bag. If somebody wants to give that to me, that's Gucci. But for me to rationalize spending that type of money on just a little cosmetic bag, I just can't. So I'm gonna throw this in here and see what happens. It's a tight squeeze. It's a tight squeeze, but it might fit. It might be tight zip too, but pretty much it does fit. And that's like a full size cosmetic bag. So you could fit a wallet, keys, cosmetic bag, and then obviously you're gonna have to stuff your phone in here somehow. Let me grab my phone. What I might have to do is downsize my cosmetic bag so that I can make sure everything can fit in here. It just gives you an idea of how much stuff you can kind of stuff in these little bags and still go about your day. Granted, if you had the smaller wallet, then you wouldn't have to worry about size, like putting things in it and stuff. You could just throw everything in it and just go about your day. But obviously, because I do have a smaller bag, I have to be more cognizant of the things I carry, so I can make sure I can fit everything in it. So I think I managed to make everything work here. I got keys, hairbrush, cosmetic bag. Hairbrush might have to go. I might have to find a smaller hairbrush that I just keep in here. It warps it a little bit, so it might be a little overfilled. But yeah, that's the bag all filled up. So I might have to even get a smaller cosmetic bag, like just specifically for this bag, because I think, or just not use a cosmetic bag and just throw in my essentials in like a smaller like bag of some sort. But my keys, my wallet, and my phone fit in here comfortably. Yeah, so it's a smaller bag. You can't expect to like put your whole life into this bag. It's a cute bag, it's a day bag, it's a night bag, and you won't regret it bag. I love it. I love how cute and small it is. Can I get up on this chair? Yeah, I'm doing the most right now. I love it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope that helped you decide if you want to get this bag. It's a smaller bag. It's definitely smaller than what I'm used to, but I'm very excited about it. It's different for me. Obviously, this is not going to be my everyday bag. I still have my other babies, and I go like between all bags. Some days I just love my Neverfull. Some weeks I just love my Speedy Bandouliere. Some days I just love, oh, those are the only other bags I have. And then the same thing with this one. I'm going to probably be gravitating towards this more than the others. So it all varies on how I feel, and I like to switch it up. So I'm just glad to be able to add this baby to my collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, I have more videos that I have a full, you know, review on these bags and stuff. So when I get the collection big enough, maybe I'll do like my favorites bag, my bags that I regret, or whatever, you know what I mean? So I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for more videos. I got more to come. I got some stuff up my sleeve. I got some reviews that I gotta work on for you guys too. Something that I've been trying to get my hands on for a while, and I finally got it, so I'm going to film that next. So stay tuned, turn on that bell so you can stay up to date. I love you guys so much, and enjoy your holiday season, okay? And love your family, love on your family, because you never know when the last time you'll see them. So I love you guys. Bye.